at if it is still expensive, so increasing the increment is very, very minimal. For example, if you are taking away 3 kilograms now, if you want to come.
We came today for vaccination and we are just being taught about the benefits of exclusive breastfeeding. Good morning, people. I'm in front of the post office. I want to check for some of my documents from YouTube. I hope it's there. I'm with the baby. We're just coming back from the hospital. I'm in front of the post office. In front of the post office. So I'm here today to collect a Cameroonian YouTuber's Adsense pin. This person got monetized and I decided to help them get their pin from YouTube. I've done this before for a couple of people, but from now on, if you want to get your pin, Daniel, mommy is doing recording. You guys will just excuse me. I'm a mom of 4. There's always noise. So if you want to get your pin and you're struggling, I've seen a lot of people go through processes, lost their pins and all whatnot, but I have successfully gotten pins for myself and a couple of other people seamlessly. So if you want to get your pin, get me for a fee. Let me repeat it 3 times. For a fee, for a fee, for a fee. For a fee means that you will pay me for me to go and get your pin, because it's a process. You are going to use my box. I'm going to have to be going and checking. A couple of times I've gone to check and I did not find it there, and I'm a mom of 4. I don't have free time in my hands. You see, I'm editing this video and my children are making kick in the background. So because of that, you will pay me for my time. If you're interested, fine. If not, if you have a better means of getting your pin, I'm happy for you. But if not, I'm still happy for you that I'm here for you to help you for a fee. Anyways, welcome to a new vlog. The door is closed. Yeah. Wait, where do you want to go to? So I'm back home and I'm eating some tiger nuts. I incorporate tiger nuts in my meals when in my eating plan when I am breastfeeding. I will do a video and share with you guys foods that I eat when I'm breastfeeding. I still have to give you guys a video on Cameroonian foods I ate while pregnant. That video is coming up. Stay tuned for it. So today we are doing a bit of meal prep. I already have food in the freezer. You guys know I don't like to cook under pressure, so I cook when I don't need the food and then we eat it when we need it. I don't like to cook when I need the food. Like, what we are cooking today is not what we have to eat now. I only cook like that on a day that, okay, we have food in the freezer, but we just want to eat something else and I'm happy to do it. Maybe I want to bake, or I just fry fish or something. But today Sister Tati made coconut rice and this rice slapped, it banged, it was yummy. Ever since I had baby Joshua, she has been cooking from the time I went to the hospital. Stand up Daniel. From the time I went to the hospital, she has been cooking. So I am making Ndole and she took charge of the coconut rice, and it was 100 plus 100 minus nothing. So this is the thing I unboxed. If you did not watch that unboxing video where I said shopping online in Cameroon, then you have missed. So I'm using it to make my pepper cubes. You're going to see it at some point. My groundnuts, I mistakenly put a lot of water, so my own Ndole is like, it did not bang like that when I was blending it, because you guys, I had this blender. That blender is still with a repairer. I don't know. I need that blender to wake up, to resurrect, because it has served me and it used to blend my Ndole granite so well. I didn't need to put a lot of water. But yeah, it tasted good. It's just that I had to wait for a long time for it to boil because I needed a lot of water to help my other blender blend it. Okay, this is the blender I used. I am now blending pepper. This pepper has been in the freezer for too long, so I'm like, let's just blend it and make pepper cubes that we can put into food. So that's what I'm doing. This is plantain. I have a lot of ripe plantains, so they are going into the freezer. They've actually been in the freezer for about an hour. This is the first time I'm doing this, so I'll give you guys a review. Please and please, never you put your plantain in the freezer. Error. It was bad. It's the next day that Sister Tati was telling me that, oh no, Grandma always puts her ripe plantain in the fridge, not in the freezer. And I currently do not have a fridge in my house. I have just a deep freezer. So, oh my God, please don't do this. Don't try this at home. Don't say you saw it from me. It did not work. The plantain, by the next day, we're removing the plantain from the freezer. When you remove it, it's hard. When you allow it to defrost for like maybe 1 hour, it just becomes mushy. It's soft. You cannot even... It was terrible. Please, I spoiled all these wrappings of plantain. You guys, nah, don't do that. Don't do that. Put your plantain in the fridge, not in the freezer, okay? At least I've told you something. In this lifetime, I've helped you.
Yeah. Egg bang building. Yeah. Never seen a god like you, yeah. Give me everything I need, yeah. No one else can compete, no. You're good in all your ways. I follow you, no delay. You're the way, the truth, and life, so I chose you. Tu es mon sauveur, mon roi. En toi j'ai ma foi. Rien ne peut comparer à ton amour. 24/7 toujours, tu es là pour moi. Tell me what shall I feel? Yeah. You are the way, the truth, and life. You got the whole world in your hands. Yeah. You are the way, the truth, and life. You got the whole world in your hands.
And I like you the way.
Yeah.
And I like you the way.
Oh yeah.
When you want to show them what you are eating. But you have never cooked this kind of food, that kind of food.
I've cooked it.
But you want to show some people that they don't know.
The food slaps. It's Sister Tati that cooked this coconut rice. This Sister Tati's coconut rice slaps. Everybody's running to go and tell her thank you. The food slaps. Combining with this vegetable. You want to tell her thank you?
Yeah, coconut rice is nice. It's nice.
It's the rice. The rice is rising.
It's actually coconut.
The rice is coconutty. Okay.
They say coconut rice is like coconut.
Mommy, this rice they made with coconut.
You are the most
Jehovah.
You are the most
Jehovah.
pepper cubes are formed. This is what I was saying. I needed the one that can just easily bend and remove something, because things can break. This one. Okay. Look at this. I'm just going to tie it and keep. Another day. This is from one boob. Am I not a cow? You guys, it's gone wonderful. Like, how does this form in the body, and how is the baby so satisfied? At this point, I need those bags to store milk, because this is excess. Joshua is up. Joshua is waking up at 9. Evidence of good living, eating good food. What are you doing? You don't want to ride your bike again? Come now. Bring it inside. Flies are going to come inside. You need to close the net fast. Come in. Welcome, Daniel. Oopsie. I'll close my door, Papa. They fly in here. See, he wants to go and park. Is that your garage? Careful. It's okay, don't close the key. Mom will close it. You're right inside the house. Tommy, say hi, guys. Say bye. All your things are ready. Your trouser is red, your car is red, your bike is red. Is that your favorite color? That's your favorite color. Okay. All right, Papa. Okay. Tell me now. White. Hey, I clean boy. I'm snapping you. I'm taking a video, not a picture. Daniel said I should snap him. You should see his poster. Wonderful. Another poster, Papa. Another star. Mm-hmm.